So you might be in a situation where for some reason your battery is draining a ton on iOS 26. Now, doing this is actually very, very basic, but there's a couple things to keep in mind. Number one, within iOS 26, there's a thing called indexing, which is basically as soon as you update your iPhone, there needs to be a little bit of time where it kind of adjusts and gets a little bit better. So that's basically what needs to happen with your particular phone. So as soon as you install iOS 26, let it just kind of get a little better, let it kind of sit there, improve, and wait for the system to kind of optimize, and then it will end up getting better. So that is one thing to keep in mind. You can also try going through and managing your brightness and doing those kinds of things, closing out of apps if you need to. There's another really cool thing, which is called adaptive power. So it's this new little feature that Apple kind of threw inside of their settings. So if you go inside of their settings app just like this, if you go inside of the battery option, which is right over here, you tap on battery. And then if you go into power mode, there should be a little power mode option right here. If you go and tap on it, there's going to be these options right at the very top, the top one being adaptive power. If you go ahead and turn on adaptive power, what's going to happen is it's going to say when your battery usage is higher than usual, iPhone can extend your battery life by making performance adjustments. So if your phone supports adaptive power, you can also just go through, turn on adaptive power, go ahead and use it. And that is another really cool, easy thing that you can kind of do there as well. So if that's still not working, try seeing if there's an update available for your iPhone. So you can try making your way over into your general settings of your iPhone right here, clicking on software update and seeing if there's an update available. And if there is, I'd recommend just going through and updating your iPhone. So those are pretty much the main things to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.